Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to invite friends on Temu app. First, open Temu app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon located in the bottom menu bar. Here, tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Select any gift here and tap on Continue. View the gift in order to select color of the product. Next, tap on Confirm the gift. Provide address confirmation here. Here, you may be asked to flip a card for having a price cut on your first referral. In the end, you can invite a friend to cut the price for your referral. For this purpose, you have various options for inviting your friend. Select any of the mediums from Messenger, WhatsApp, etc. Invite your friend, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.